Hey, Louis fans. Louis Vision here. Oh man, this is going to be actually my first time reacting to a full episode of To Catch a Cheater. I became familiar with him through H3H3. They talked about him. I was going to react to them talking about him, but I never got around to it. Anyways, from what I can tell, they really don't like these guys. Oh, I can't wait. Shit. The title alone has me intrigued. Crap. Holy shit. That's interesting. This show is interesting because sometimes it's not the person being tested that's the scumbag. I like the shorter format. I saw that the episodes were longer before, and I initially hesitated because that just means more editing. Yes, I edit my reactions a little more than the average bear. I don't know why I brought that up. Anyways, you can follow these guys at To Catch a Cheater on Twitter. Be sure to subscribe. I would. Yeah, got a new fan. Holy shit, they have episodes every Monday. And was I the only one who noticed the episode last week that was up? That was up briefly, but then taken down. You guys know what I'm talking about? I don't remember the exact title. I do remember Muslim extremist being in the title in all caps. And yeah. So curious about that. Actually, side note, going back to my Tana Montague Mongoose reaction, Content Cop, I don't think I would ever use the N-word in any context. He argues that you should be able to joke and, comment on anything, but that's not necessarily true. Not anything. You're not gonna talk about. Wow, we've gotten really off topic. Okay, I'm just bringing that up. That's my own personal opinion. Shit, that I should have brought up that reaction. And you know what? If you guys like that, you'll probably also like this one right here. Just click my face.